Sambalpur. Well known for its textile art and diamond trading, Sambalpur is a renowned city in western Odisha since time immemorial. In addition to this, the city continues to maintain its charm due to the presence of the majestic Hirakud Dam on river Mahanadi, which is the longest earthen dam in the world. Nestling amongst a picturesque location, cultural city and surrounded by numerous large-scale industries like MCL, JSW, NTPC, Vedanta, Hindalco and more, exists a cutting-edge premium institute for management, IIM Sambalpur.
IIM Sambalpur is part of the new generation IIM set up in 2015 by Government of India, and as part of its core values is around 3 I's: innovation, integrity and inclusiveness. As part of innovation, we are the institute with having experiential learning with flipped classroom as our learning pedagogy. As part of inclusiveness, we have highest gender parity in our MBA class, and ever since we started MBA in 2015, we have expanded to PhD program as well as executive PhD programs, and now we are launching executive MBA.
Honorable Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi, laid the foundation stone, and Government of India is expediting the construction of a permanent body and a world-class campus for IIM Sambalpur in Vasantpur over an enormous land of 237 acres, which is expected to be delivered by 2022. Road, rail and air connectivity have been improvised severely for ease of connectivity to the institute. Since the day of establishment, this preeminent institute continues to foster a unique learning environment where students can bring the best of their interpersonal and entrepreneurial talents.
IIM Sambalpur helped me expose to industry-oriented education, which has become extremely essential as hands-on experience.
The vision of IIM Sambalpur is to nurture responsible leaders with entrepreneurial mindset. And with this vision, our objective is to become one of the finest management education institute in the country and also one of the best known institute in the world in next 5 years.
Live classes, interactive sessions, assignments, case studies and simulation-based teaching, experiential learning, internationally compatible curriculum, multicultural environment and much more. The institute provides distinctive attention in developing students' aptitude and expertise, especially in real-life scenario. Besides education, the campus also provides opportunities for recreation, sports, fitness and clubbing activities to alleviate the ambience.
IIM Sambalpur has given me an opportunity to interact with business leaders, to solve real-world problems of companies in form of case studies as well as live project, which not only helped me in honing my management skills, but also to ignite an entrepreneurial spark in me.
We are currently pursuing through an online mode. We have submissions and deadline on a daily basis, and it's a great peer learning here with a great experience of learning.
A special program, Executive MBA, is currently in limelight, launched on 19th March 2021. This postgraduate degree has been delineated especially for high-performing professionals who aim to emerge as well-equipped future leaders in their domains.
Executive MBA program which we have just launched at IIM Sambalpur is very unique because it is a 2 years degree granting program for working professionals. Also, the participants as well as faculty members are going to come from various parts of the world, and it is going to run in a blended mode, mostly online, and therefore it's a very unique propositions for working executives, and it is also going to play a vital role in building intellectual capital for business educations in the country, in the region as well as in the world.
The 2-year modular program is designed to instigate and thrive entrepreneurial perspectives of the candidates and strengthen Government of India initiatives such as Atmanirbhar Bharat, Startup India and Make in India with prominence in digital upheaval.
Fourth most important value addition is it's a degree programs called Executive MBA. Second, it is focusing on the contemporary issues like digital innovations, including digitalizations of various business functions. It is also covering sustainability, that is decarbonization of business, and also it is covering contemporary issues due to democratization of business, which is coming out because of new emerging business models, and therefore it is a very, very contemporary management programs for working professionals.
Apart from this, the program also includes cognitive learning through flipped classroom pedagogy, peer learning and in-depth class interaction, focus on cohort diversity across different nationalities, CEO immersion program, specialization offered in functional areas, the contemporary focus on general management and digital transformation with a global orientation and interaction through IIM Sambalpur alumni status. Creative teaching methods with simulations, high-definition video conference-based virtual classroom online platform and offline mode which allows you to apply your learning to corporeal scenarios, try out new leadership techniques and generate creative responses to challenges.
We invite all the young professionals who are working in government, industry and as an entrepreneur to come and join this program and transform themselves so that they can transform the organization for which they are working and become world-class citizens while completing these 2 years degree programs at IIM Sambalpur.
Invest into improved potential, consistency, adaptability, attitude, resilience, and strengthen your foundation across your vocation through an executive MBA degree at IIM Sambalpur.